In Clearwater, Florida, a vehicle suddenly veered off the road and plunged into a retention pond. As the car rapidly filled with water and began sinking into the murky depths, the driver was trapped inside and completely unresponsive. Arriving on scene within minutes, Clearwater police officers saw the vehicle disappearing beneath the surface. Without waiting for specialized dive teams or rescue equipment, the officers stripped off their heavy-duty gear and dived straight into the dark pond water. Swimming out to the submerged car, they fought the water pressure to reach the unconscious driver before the vehicle sank completely. Retention ponds line roadways across Pinellas County, Florida, creating an immediate, deadly hazard when vehicles leave the roadway. When emergency dispatch received reports of a car fully submerged with someone trapped inside, every second counted. Upon arrival, officers observed the car several yards from the shoreline, water rising over the windows. Knowing that full submersion leaves victims with mere minutes of oxygen, the officers made a split-second decision to execute an immediate water rescue. Bodycam footage captured the intense physical struggle as officers swam through the deep pond to reach the sinking vehicle. Reaching the car, an officer managed to force open a door against the crushing water resistance. Working quickly in the murky water, they unbuckled the unresponsive woman and pulled her out of the cabin just before the vehicle slipped entirely below the surface. Supporting her head above water, the officers swam the unconscious driver back to the shoreline, hoisting her onto the grass where medics immediately initiated life-saving treatment. Emergency medical personnel stabilized the driver on scene before rushing her to a local hospital for urgent care. The Clearwater Police Department commended the officers for their decisive courage, jumping into hazardous water without hesitation to save a life. Their rapid response turned a fatal submerged car accident into a life-saving rescue. Our next breakdown is ready for you right now. Click the screen, and I'll see you there.